Hey. What's poppin', gang? It's your girl Tiana. Whoa, and I am back with another video. So as you guys can see in the title, this is me showing you guys how I created my yearly plan, my vision board, my goals. You know what I'm saying? All of that for 2019. So I'm coming with real different videos this year. Clearly I'm still doing hair videos. Just want to let you guys know I will be doing crochet soon and natural hair videos, so I didn't leave y'all hanging. So don't leave your girl, because I definitely got y'all. I ain't leave y'all for these wigs, you know what I'm saying? Baby, you know I would never leave you, okay? No, this is just a video on how I created my vision board, and I just wanted to share it with you guys just in case, because it's never too late to make your vision board for the year. So just wanted to let you guys know a little bit about mine. And yeah, so if you guys are interested in this video, then just keep on watching. I'll just bring it over when I need to. Okay, so clearly I put 2019 right here, and I'm gonna go this way. So amor, love. I'm gonna need some love in my life. You feel me? Like, who doesn't need love? Secondly, I put girl gang, because that means I want to hang out with the gang this year. So, you know, keep my crew and we do great things. So this hair, I made these because I will be starting a wig making business. So I will eventually be selling wigs for you ladies on my channel who are interested in wigs. I also put my health up here because this takes time and I need to make sure I remain healthy, because I actually have a career now. So, you know, trying to balance my hobbies with a real career is just, yeah. And then here, either I will find a way or I'll make one. I just wanted to say that because either I'm gonna find a way or I'm gonna make one. Duh. And then I put this picture of, dang, I know her name. I swear I do. This is Miss Rosh Posh. Oh, I ain't even about to mess nobody up. My camera thing. Oh my god. No. But I put this because I want to practice hair coloring. So I just put this on here because I'm still not a pro. But yeah. These, I put candy on here because I can't really share that part, but I put some candy on here. Then I have my money symbols, and this year I want to save. So I'm trying to save $12,000 this year. So this is just me reminding myself every time I see it, like, oh, don't forget to say that money, girl, you know what I'm saying? And then I have a quote from a legend, Beyonce. If there's one thing I'm willing to bet on, it's myself. Yes, me, honey. 21, just kidding, I'm not even 21. I'm definitely 23 now. Anyways, yes, I'm 23. For my friends who be forgetting that I'm 23. I have some books. I have books scattered, actually, because, you know, knowledge is scattered around. And this also represents school, because I'm in grad school as well. And then I have I have an airplane and a window seat, because I'm going to do a little bit of traveling this year. And I'm actually already starting. I'm going to Seattle this weekend. And laugh as much as you breathe, love as much as you live. I just thought that was a cute quote, so I threw it on there. Here I have 1,000. It's supposed to be 100,000, but it kind of got cut off. And that is, I'm so sorry, my arm is tired. Oh my gosh. I'm back. Okay. So the 100,000 represents my 100,000 subscribers that I will have this year. Amazing, right? And then I have this condom here, and it says, frankly, I'm just a hot mess. Frankly, let's be responsible. So, you know, just being responsible this year when it comes to my sexual health. I'll be turning 24 this year. So I got a quote from Kobe, and it says, if you do not believe in yourself, no one will do it for you. And I just feel like this goes with all my goals. Like if I don't believe in this, nobody's gonna do it for me. So boom. Then I have a big huge clock because I suck at time management. So time, just gotta work on my time management. Then I got a picture right here of Martin Luther King Jr. because I am trying to make sure that I'm getting my activism. Okay, sorry, my sister opened the garage door and it's like 2 a.m. and I'm like, yo, who's in the crib at 2 a.m.? Martin Luther King. Okay, wow. Yeah, so I put him on here because I want to reach the masses this year. I just want to be very impactful to the world regarding everything that I'm fighting for, everything that I'm doing. So in regards to HIV, so that's why I put this HIV hand stop the stigma, because I work in HIV and that's just something I'm very passionate about because it's my career. And yes, so then also kind of going over here, I have clothes, because on my YouTube channel, I do clothing hauls, so I'll be starting doing those again. And then also I just like putting outfits together. So on my Instagram, I kind of just like to post my outfit a little bit. That's just what I do. And then I have a picture of me when I was slim thick, because I'm kind of thick right now and I'm not as slim as I was in like my Fashion Nova haul video. So that's why I haven't really done a lot of hauls, because your girl thick again, you know, that winter weight. You know, that I'm still comfy kind of weight. Yeah, just kidding. And then I got Yes Queen, because like I'm a queen, duh. And then I have Up in Her, Remain Humble. Okay, I swear I'm not farting, it's really just a chair. I have Remain Humble, but still let these bitches know. Okay. And then I have Family over here on the side, because you know, gotta keep the family first. And I also have my dream car on here, which is the G-Wagon. I love G-Wagons, and really this is just to kind of keep me motivated, just in case my car breaks down and I need to get a new one. You know, I'm gonna just treat it like it's a G-Wagon, because it's definitely going to be a Honda. No, honestly, I have no idea what kind of car it's gonna be. And then here I just have a whole bunch of houses, because I plan on buying a house by the end of this year or beginning of next year. So just having houses on there, houses that like dream houses that I want to have and stuff like that, kind of keep me inspired. So yeah, these are my goals for the year. So much fun having that vision board party with my friends. We did that like the first week of 2019 and it was just like so great. I recommend doing a vision board party with your friends, but also doing it by yourself. Just setting goals for the year, doing, you know, this way you can visually see what you're working on this year. You can visually stay active and just be reminded daily. Like I wake up and mine's literally on the wall facing me and I'm just like, oh yeah, you did say you wanted to be on time, you know, but it's late. You might be late for work, but you know what I'm saying, I still see it, you feel me? And yeah, like it reminds me what I'm working towards, what my goals are, and I'm not just saying it, and that's kind of keeping me, it's holding me accountable. Like it makes me hold myself accountable. So yeah, that's the reason why I wanted to show you guys this. Sorry that I'm talking fast, it's just my camera is about to die and I'm just so upset. But all right. So I'm back after the malfunction, of which my camera did die. But yeah, so I just want to let you guys know and share with me you guys my vision board. And yeah, like I always say, if you guys have any comments, feel free to comment. And like I always say, don't forget to like it if you guys like it. Don't forget to comment if you guys want to comment. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I'll see you all in my next video.